smile.
Ellen Ramos.
What's your name? How old are you, Ella? 3 years old. Okay, face to your right, like this. And smile. Okay, face on the other side. Smile. Okay, face on the camera. Do you know how to sing? You know how to sing? Yes. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh, stand straight and sing. Oh, what's your song?
Apple light.
Apple Light?
Yeah.
Okay, can you sing now?
Apple light.
Oh, you stay on the center. You stay there. Okay. Oh, when you say action, pretend you're eating the hamburger. Say, so yummy.
Yummy.
Okay, can you do it again? Action. Eat again. So yummy. Okay, can you show me your happy face?
Yeah.
Okay, show me your smile. Happy. What about your sad face? Your angry face.
Doesn't anger.
Oh yeah, just pretend you're angry. And then how about your surprise face? Okay, smile.